You don't need drugs to go to sleep.
Magandang aga. Nagluluto lang ako guys ng bihon. Oh, I need to get the bihon right here. Yung bihon na binili ko. Ihuhumol ko lang to.
Bonk. Bonk. Bonk.
Celery and cabbage. So, magluluto lang ako guys. Pagkatapos nito, magre-ready na rin ako para ihatid ko yung matanda. May bihon. Punta kami. We're going to dialysis. I'm gonna drop her off. What are you following me for? Is this what you're following me? You want to be touchy, okay? Naka-marinate na yung pork. Kailangan ko pa mag-cut ng apple. Yan, at saka prepare yung mga plate para ready. Para later, hindi na ako magkarakarawa. Para hindi na ako magkarakara. Pag may bisita na, ready na. Good morning, guys. I'm just back from dialysis. I just dropped her off, and my thing is still here, and it's still good. Yep. Yeah, I just get back from dialysis. That was like like 2 hours, guys. 2 hours. Anyway, because it's first time over there. They just like a lot of talking, interview, shoo, like that. You know, there's a lot of shoo. So me, I still have a lot of things to be doing here. I still have to make macaroni salad. I still have to clean my nails. I mean, you know, clean up my... May bisita, guys. At saka yung nails ko parang burak-burak ba. And then, Sam is here. Why he's here? I don't know why he's here. I don't have any idea. And he's doing some... whatever is this is dangerous kind of thing he's doing right now. What are you doing? Yeah. Is the all connected properly?
Let's hope.
The other side going to the grill is connected properly. What is that? That's for drip. Where is it? Drip tray.
That's drip.
Yeah, I know what is drip tray. Oh, there is something in there to hold the thing. There's no dripping fire here.
Right.
It's really wobbly. What is that for? What is that for? Jewelry? Necklace.
Chain it down.
Freaking necklace. Maybe to hold it, hon? What is that for?
Maybe to hold utensils. What the hell do I know?
No, you have to put the other side. It's more wobbly because there's no other. Did you shut it off? You don't shut it off. No, you should.
See? Run away.
Hi guys, I am done showering. My hair's still wet. I am cooking humba right here. This is really spicy. Very little only because for, you know, for people eat humba. Me and my cousin's wife. Tammy's cousins actually. And also, what else do I have to get? Yeah, I'm just gonna clean up the bangko, the chair, the couch, whatever. Anyway, Tammy went to ShopRite to get some, look, Papa, to get ShopRite to get some corn, soda. There's no people here. 3 o'clock. They're not here yet. Look at Roxy's face. Roxy, you're too nosy, oy. I'm not playing with you. So yun guys, at saka mag-ano lang ako. I'm just going to prepare the dip. Para hindi sila dito anong tawag yun? Magdi-dip. Ay nako, no one in here yet. Probably my cousin, our cousin, my husband's cousin, Andy and Claire will be here before the people close over here.
I love deception. Because I go out of my mind.
Misty?
I like living where I'm living, where there are great restaurants, close to New York City. Not that I go there all that often.
Right, so if you're really high in New York, you probably could sell your house and get a...
Where are you going to go?
I mean, I don't know what your house is worth or what you could buy.
Hi guys, I'm with my niece-in-law. Oh my god, my face is really red. Holy sh**. It's red, right? No, it's red. Okay, can you look here? Oh, I like that song. Okay, what's the title?
Keep it.
My niece-in-law is taller than me.
And do you know the Cupid Shuffle?
The who what?
The Cupid Shuffle?
The Cupid Shuffle?
Yeah, you're gonna dance?
I don't know the I don't know my ass from my elbow, let alone the Cupid Shuffle.
You don't dance on that.
You shuffle, like shuffle your head. Shuffle your foot.
Andrea knows it too. You get into everything.
Yeah, I'm gonna drag her.
Yes, you will.
This is my daddy. Wanna be in my video? You wanna? That's my YouTube.
This your YouTube?
Yeah. So this is the one that walked with me when I was getting married, right? Yeah. It's my daddy Andy.
That's right.
And he has millions of hair, guys. It's only two available in the family, right? You and Tommy. Yeah.
Right. Well, theoretically, actually, there's more, but there are,
from the other.
yeah.
Yeah. What is this?
There's actually only one more male.
It's Thomas, right? Thomas.
No, our cousin Ronnie.
Randy.
Ronnie.
Ronnie.
Yeah. So.
But there is Thomas available. There is one. Susie knows. It's a musician.
What? You can't wait for dessert? You gotta already start?
Oh man. She's Ate Claire. She's a Filipina from Manila. She's Tagalog. And she's eating my cookies? Brownies, Motilla brownies, and she's dancing right now. I don't know. You know what? I put drugs in the thing.
That's why later I'll be snoozing.
You don't need drugs to go to sleep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I always cover spaces when you don't want to. Yeah, this is my niece-in-law. Look at her hair, it's so nice. And oh my goodness.
Can't be any more spastic.
No way.
This is not the video that you go to, Steve. It's the first one.
Your face.
No, I don't like it. What? It tells you what to do. You got this way.
Something new. The cats will slide part two.
So I can
Featuring the
rap.
platinum band. And this time, we rolling.
Melanie, oh, I'm done.
You guys gotta clap on the beat.
Tapos na yung party, guys.
You know your mom will get nervous if you're out in the dark. Makes her nervous. She's
What
gonna
you-
eat butt by a coyote.
What are you doing over there? You're being annoying. Two of you.
And these two clowns, they come out the whole time. Right, little man? No, I was out there lying on the floor. They're hiding the whole time people were here. Devils too. You see her?
Come here.
Hello, man. Hello, man.
Come here, Rox.
Hello, bud.
Come here, baby.
Hello. Little mystical. I'm gonna give you good haircuts inside. Maybe your face is so nice and soft. Cut all that extra hair off.
Hi guys, Hubs is crying. Anong oras na ba? Time check, it is 10:30 already and I haven't edited any video for tomorrow. Yeah, so I bring the laptop over here. And I'm gonna just lay down here. They're downstairs watching TV. And I'm up here to edit some video, and yeah, so it's really kind of tiring, guys. The whole day. That's the thing when you get together with the family. Like when they left, you feel the tired. Yeah, Hubs is crying like crazy. Hubs is crazy. I can't even stay here. For example, if I go to sleep here, I can't even stay up here. If ever I decided to sleep over here, I can't even stay here because look, the dog will be keep barking, the cat will be keep crying over there in the gate, and yeah, so